Meow. So this is a pretty quick little gesture sketch, and if you hang on till the end, I'm going to do a second one that's even quicker. So this lovely Maine Coon, get in that side profile of the face, the semi-side profile. Just kind of feeling things out here. That fluffy bottom. And I encourage you to do lots of these really quick gesture sketches because the skill building is phenomenal and they're fun. I love filling my sketchbook up with them. And you don't have to feel pressured, but at the same time keep your pen moving quickly so you're really capturing the energy of the whole drawing. Moving around quickly, feeling out shapes. We do have a Facebook group, Cat Drawing Art Workshop, and you will find the link for that in the video description below. So I'd be happy if you would join if you're really passionate about drawing cats. Quick lines in this type of sketch, not stopping to worry about how they are, just getting them in. Adding a bit more detail there, sort of moving away from the gesture sketch, but you know, really, where is the line? Really, it's one of the eternal questions. Just do what works for you in your art. That's what it's all about. I love those ear tufts. So I'm darkening up the lines that I like. And the other ones remain as energy lines, movement lines, character lines, whatever you want to call them, toning. And I just love this look of the authentically human sketch. Okay, let's go on to a second one that's even faster. The reason I did the second one is I felt that I could do it looser and I would learn a lot and it would be fun to do it for you too. So just really feeling my way around quickly. And of course, having done that other one first, I've taken some learning forward. Fluffy tail coming around the front. Face is addressed her too. I'm just getting those lines down quickly, and no, this is not sped up. This is the actual speed I did this. If the face doesn't look just right, I just leave it as it is. I let it be what it is. Thank you for watching.